Internet Mastermind Marketers. This is Andy Nathan. I thought I would talk to you about video marketing today. I thought that would be a great topic to talk about. And so I'm thinking about what in the world do I talk about? And it came to me. It's like an epiphany. Why should I talk? Have the video talk for me. So I will be talking after this. However, I wanted to start out with video. And I'm going to have a few videos in here because I want to talk about just different ways to use video to better your business, because I think it's so crucial here. So I'm going to actually go back and start from the beginning, and what I'm going to do is I'm going to talk to you today about TubeMogul. TubeMogul is one of those cool little video aggregators. What you do on TubeMogul is basically you could upload a video and it goes out to like 4 or 5 different sites. Very cool, I know. So I just did one on YouTube, so I'm going to take a look. I have a few other videos I want to do as well, so you could check out my how to use YouTube video later on as well. But I want to talk to you about, let's see, I could just add one in there, oomph, with volume. How to use social oomph, for example, with volume. That's another just social media site. So I want to show people how to use that because I'm a social media expert. So I want to give them value, and one of the ways I give them value is by explaining to my clients how they could use different products. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to upload this video here. Alright, so this video says it takes 48 seconds to run. And I'm going to go social, how to put the oomph. Whoops, wait, hold on. Social oomph. I'm learning how to spell all over again. Social oomph. How to put the oomph in your business. Alright, so I've exceeded the maximum title. Okay. How to put the oomph in your business. Alright, so what I'm going to basically talk about here in social oomph is how to use this product to make your social media experience more efficient. Basically, this is just a site. This is off the topic. What it does is it helps you automate some of your tweets and some of your Facebook posts by automating your Facebook posts and Twitter tweets. Alright, so what I'm going to do here is social oomph. I'm going to put a tag in here after I've done a description. Also, I'm going to put in Twitter because I want to get as much exposure as possible, and I'm going to put in a few different tags. So basically what's happening here is I have this cool video that I'm going to send out, and I'm going to show you this more in a few seconds, but you're going to see here there's a long list of different sites. Now, I don't need this to go to every site. Like, for example, stupidvideos.com. Alright, it's not going to go out to stupid videos. The reason why is stupid videos doesn't really have anything to do with what I'm working on. So you do have to sort of like target your audience, but what this does is it aggregates, so it goes out to all these different people. So here you go. I have science and technology here. I'm going to put that as the category because I think it's a cool technology thing, and then I'm going to go upload. And what's going to happen is when you traditionally send the out video, you go onto YouTube, and then you go onto Twitter, and then you go onto Facebook, and then you go onto Yahoo, maybe you go onto MySpace. You go to all these different sites, but look at this. Isn't this cool? They're all here in front of you. So think about this. Now instead of me having to go to 7 or 8 sites, I go to one spot. And you know what's also cool? This Facebook stuff, the Facebook site down here, it doesn't just go to my profile, it also goes to my fan page, which is my branding spot. So you know what? All these different spots are available for me to launch videos. And it's a really cool site because it allows you to do that. So I'm going to click launch here, and you're going to see here in the next few seconds how instead of me actually having to go to all these different sites, it's requested all of them already. I mean, it'll take a few minutes to get to upload to all those different sites, but at the same point, I now do not have to waste half an hour, 45 minutes going to each site, uploading it, waiting for it to upload, and then going on to the next site and copying and pasting and everything else. It's all there right now, and that's what's cool. So I'm going to take a second here. I'm going to get back from the TubeMogul, I'm actually going on to some of your sites. Now, I know everyone has different sites and everyone has different tools and there's different uses and whatever the case may be, but I'm just looking at different people's sites. So, for example, EcoHill Solutions. This is a cool site about smart energy efficient design. How cool would it be to have a video, a walkthrough of one of the properties that you've actually done some smart energy efficient design? Think about how cool that would be in terms of branding. Say, hey, this is what we did at so and so location. Look how it benefited them. Look how it will benefit you. Isn't that great branding? Also, another one that'd be in a different sense, everybodysafe.com. Everybodysafe.com. Here's our 2-minute video to show you how to become safe when you're traveling. Here's our 2-minute video to show you how to be safe when you're by yourself at night. Different tips, different techniques. Wow, no one's ever said this, giving me a free video. Give a free video also. You know what? Maybe start up a mailing list with that. So you know what? Here, get our free video on travel. Sign up now. Wow, isn't that a great way to keep in touch with people? Now you have a mailing list and you can do more with those people and keep in contact with them. See, it's branding. And this is a video. This video right now, it's free. So you know what? Utilize that. Another way to do that is to keep in touch with your market. If your business is around video, constantly using it and updating it, using it for different ideas. This is the Museum of Classic Chicago Television. This site has a lot of different videos about days past. It's a great site, and what eventually we'll be doing is when we talk about video, you talk about monetizing it. A site like this, by the way, how cool would it be to have some Google ads on here that would actually allow you to make some money off of it? So support the museum by sponsoring this video. You could sponsor the video right there, but also, wouldn't it be cool just to have a video ad in here? Maybe you actually have some products that go along with that. There's a lot of different ways for going about that. Also, I'm not sure, this is, since the museum here is also, it looks like it's a donation, it's a not-for-profit. Think about also using it as a way to raising money and sending it out via Twitter and Facebook. Think about sending out videos over to Mogul and all the different spots that you could actually publicize it to get donations. Think about sending out something, for example, this is from the 1970s, a Chicago Museum movie, but M&M's, another season. Think about sending that out to people, and at the end maybe say, hey, by the way, if you want to see great movies like this, go on our site and donate. Wow, powerful marketing. The other thing is that you can use it for branding yourself and just talking about your product like Cindy's doing here. She's talking about Oddbot, and what she's doing is she has a short little segment about what she talks about, what she does, and just goes over it. And it's a brief introduction, and it introduces who you are. It brands yourself, or it brands her. And then another thing that you have here is you have Fortune High Tech Marketing. What about instead of just talking about join now, you actually have a little video that actually shows you how to join now and the benefits of joining now? What if you have something about the services that you offer on FHTM that actually talk about how powerful it is to join now and the things that you could do while you're marketing? And this is something when you go through a YouTube, you go through a Facebook and Twitter, you're expanding your brand, because join now and people are coming in from all these different sites, and that's how you drive traffic. You drive it through video marketing. Video marketing don't just use it on your website, have that video and then send it out to all your social media sites as well, and then tell them to come back. You could have it on and then have it on your main page as well. One thing you also want to do is, by the way, when you're doing this for your site, make sure you tell people that it should be a short video, because you don't want people thinking, oh, I'm going to have to listen through a half-hour, 45-minute presentation. If they want to do that, they can come here and listen to us at the Mastermind group. Finally, like Jane, for example, for Jane, she's a realtor. Well, how cool would it be here if you're going through her page and she actually used the video to do a walkthrough of the house so people could actually see it? I actually know real estate investors who actually use Mogul to actually send out walkthroughs of the house, and they send it out to all these different video sites so they can actually sell their property. And they send it out through Facebook, and they send it out through Twitter, and all these different investors and all these different home buyers see the properties with the walkthrough, and then they could actually get more information to buy it. There's unbelievable potential. The main thing is using your video to incorporate what you're doing right now and expanding your brand and expanding who you are and getting the word out about your website, about your business, and to get your product sold. So this is a little video presentation here about how to use TwoMogul and how to incorporate it into your website. I hope everybody enjoyed that. I will be talking to you now.